Welcome back, everybody. In this video we will talk about circumference. If you want to find circumference of a circle, that is the distance around the circle, and it's from the equation c equals pi times d, pi times the diameter. Now, say you don't have the diameter, if they just give you radius, 2 times pi times r. Take the radius times 2. So in this problem, the diameter is 20 feet. So we would say the circumference is simply 20 times pi feet. It is just that simple. Notice the expression for finding exact keeps pi in the answer. Let's look at another one here. What's the best approximation for the circumference of a circle with diameter 500 kilometers? Use 3.14 for pi. So in this problem, pi times d again, but 3.14 for pi times 500 comes out to 1,570 kilometers. It's a pretty big circle. What is the exact circumference of a circle with a radius of 17 millimeters? And remember one variation of our formula, 2 pi r. And we're going to put the 17 in for r and leave pi alone. 2 times 17 is 34, so we say 34 pi millimeters. What's the best approximation for the circumference of a circle with a radius of 18 feet? Here's our 2 pi r formula again. 2 times an approximation, we're going to use 3.14 for pi, radius of 18. And put that all in the calculator. 2 times 3.14 times 18, we're going to get 113.04 feet. Look at another one here, last one. The plate has a diameter of 16 inches. What's the best approximation for the circumference? C equals pi times diameter, 3.14 times 16, and that's going to give us 50.2 inches. Distance around the plate is 50.2 inches. That's it for these examples about circumference. Thank you for watching.